Mauri ora whānau, nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai, ki tēnei whakāturanga, Kiimai Māori, Aoitepö. And our model here, Te Arapiki Tätai, and today's lesson, consolidating lesson 1 from our first video, the numbers, the counting, 1 to 10, and now today, adding in a prefix to denote its placing and its placement. So let's just recap on our first lesson of counting 1 to 10, and remembering we've got a couple of options for that 10th one there being te kau and ngāhuru. I know that you knew that. Okay, let's go. Te Arapiki Tätai, the numbers ladder, ara, tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, te kau. Te kau, ngāhuru, rite tonu. Ka pai whānau, there was a piece of cake. I know you got that locked down from the first video. Hey, what we're going to do now to that number, to that simple number, is we're going to add the prefix, a little that denotes its placement, and that word is tua, kupu hau, tua. Ka pai, so tahi now becomes tuatahi, then tuarua. Let's run through that. Take your time. Your words are starting to grow now. Sounds easy, but sometimes it can trip you up. Remember, when we get to 10, we don't use the concept of tua when we say te kau. We go from tua iwa to te kau. However, we can use tua ngāhuru. Ka pai, so look out and listen out for that, and let's just give it a go, eh? Let's try it out. Tuatahi. Kōrero mai. Tuatahi. Tuarua. Tuatoru. Tuawha. Tuarima. Tuaono. Tuawhitu. Tuawaru. Tuaiwa. Te kau. Ka pai, it didn't get me that time. Let's try it again with the tua ngāhuru. Good to practice. That's what this is all about. It's the practicing of the kōrero. Not only the fact that we can count to 10. So make sure the kupu keep their sounds. Kōrero mai. Tuatahi. Tuatahi. Tuarua. Tuatoru. Tuawha. Tuarima. Tuaono. Tuawhitu. Tuawaru. Tuaiwa. Tua ngāhuru. Ka mau te wehi. Awesome whānau. I know none of you says tua te kau, did you? Ka pai whānau. Hey, I think that's enough too for this one for now. Just practice those numbers over and over and again with your whānau, with your rōpū that you're learning with. It's only a simple thing, but it's going to grow. The numbers will start changing. We'll start adding in volume and different contexts where we can use numbers, making it applicable to people. Different concepts there to use. Yeah, so kia kaha, enjoy the numbers. And look out for another little vid coming out shortly involving all the colours. However, I think the next one, our next little video, will incorporate the numbers, the placement, and a simple colour. So look out for that one on the next one, whānau. But in the meantime, tahirua tōru wha, kōrero Māori, Aoitepö, haumie huie, tae ki e.